سلام سلام. كم يمسيهم زخبركن زخبركمن ኤርትራውያንን ተጋሩ ኣሕዋትናን ኩልኹም እውን ብቋንቋ ትግርኛ ትግደሱን ዘበልኩም እንኳዕ ደሓን መፃኹም ንብል ቋንቋና ነማዕብል ቋንቋና ቋንቋ ትግርኛ መንነትና እዩ ደቅና ድማ ንሕና ኢና ተገዲስና ክነፍልጦ ዝግባአና ክቡራት ወለዲ እዚ ነገር እዚ ይጠፋእኩም እዩ ኢልና ይኮንና ንዛረቦ ዘለና ስለዚ ሳብስክራይብ ሼር ላይክ ክትገብሩ ድማ ከተተባብዑና ነዘኻኽረኩም ናይ ሎም መዓልቲ ትምህርትና ካልኣይ ክፋል ፊደል ገ እዩ ኣብ ቀዳማይ ክፋል ፊደል ገ ብስእሊ ጌርና ርኢና ነርና እንታይ ከም ዝድመፅ ኣደማምፅኡ ሸውዓቲኦም ኣባላት ገ ርኢና ነርና ብስእልን ብቅርፅን ኣርሰኒና ኣፀሓሕፍኡ እውን ሕጂ ድማ ብገ ጌርና ቃላት ክንምስርት ኢና በቶም ቃላት ጌርና ድማ ሓሳባት ሙሉእ ሓሳባት ወይ ከዓ ሰንተንስስ ክንምስርት ኢና ማለት እዩ እሞ ተኸታተሉና ንኸይድ ኦኬ ገ ገ ገመል ነዊሕ ፅምእ ማይ ዝፃወት እንስሳ እዩ What does this mean in English? ገመል ነዊሕ ፅምእ ማይ ዝፃወር እንስሳ እዩ A camel is an animal that can withstand thirst for a long time, meaning a camel can stay many days without drinking water. Number two, ህድሞ ህድሞ is a house in ትግርኛ ህድሞ ኤርትራውያን ገበላ ኣለዎ ገበላ ህድሞ ኤርትራውያን እንታይ ኣለዎ ገበላ ኣለዎ ንብል ኣለና Eritrean hudmos have a passion. An Eritrean hudmo or an Eritrean house has a passion. Okay, good. I have given two examples for each. Now, gulhinta. The word is gulhinta. ጉልሒንጣ ዝበሃል ተኽሊ ሕማቕ ፀሃያይ እዩ ጉልሒንጣ ዝበሃል ተኽሊ ሕማቕ ፀሃያይ እዩ ጉልሒንጣ ዝበሃል ተኽሊ ሕማቕ ፀሃያይ እዩ In English, a weed called gulhinta is the worst weed for plant growth and fertility. See, this kind of weed called gulhinta is a plant killer. It takes all the food nutrients of the plants. It develops itself but kills the plants we wanted to grow. That is the meaning. Number two, go. مسشرو تعميو. go مسشرو تايو تعميو. Red pepper is good with shiro. Do you like it? Yeah. طعومين. Okay. Good. مشروع is delicious. That is what it means. Okay. G. The third member is G. Number one, አድጊ እንስሳ መጽዓኛ እዩ። እንስሳ መጽዓኛ. What does እንስሳ መጽዓኛ mean? እንስሳ መጽዓኛ means a pack animal. A pack animal. Pack means animals we use to carry or transport goods on their back, like a mule, a horse, a donkey, etc. These animals are called pack animals. In ትግርኛ እንስሳ መጽዓኛ. We call them እንስሳ መጽዓኛ. እንስሳ መጽዓኛ ንብሎም ንኣድጊ፣ ንበቕሊ፣ ንፈረስ ዋላ እውን ንገመል እንስሳ መጽዓኛ ስለ ዝፀዓኑ pack animals. A donkey is then a pack animal. A camel is a pack animal. A horse is a pack animal. A donkey is a pack animal. Okay. Number two, ሓድጊ. عارفه؟ رأوا ናይ ምግራም ምልክት አለው. Here is an exclamation mark. عارفه؟ ሓድጊ ኣለዎ ዶ? What does it mean? He died? Wow. Does he have children? He died. Sorry. But does he have children? Has he left his children behind? Is he survived by his children? That is what we are saying. Because in our culture, if a person dies and if he has children, we don't say he's dead because he has replaced himself. So, ሓድጊ means he has replaced himself. He has children. Okay, so he didn't die. Okay, Ga. ትፈትዋ ጋንታ መን እያ? ጋንታ. ትፈትዋ ጋንታ መን እያ? What is your favorite team? What is your favorite team? Well, some people say Arsenal, some people say Manchester United, some people say Manchester City, West Ham, etc. Real Madrid, if you go to Spain, Barcelona, and others. What is your favorite team? Number two, ዋጋ. መኪናኻ ሕጂ ክንደይ እዩ? Okay. ዋጋ መኪናኻ ሕጂ ክንደይ ይግመት? ዋጋ መኪናኻ ሕጂ ክንደይ ይግመት? Now, if you had bought your car for example, for $20,000 brand new, now after 5 years, what is the value? Now, after 5 years, what is the value of your car? How much is it estimated? ዋጋ መኪና ሕጂ ክንደይ ይግመት? What is the estimated value of your car at this time? Gay. I have given 2 examples for gay. Gega and tsigereda. Gega, tsigereda. You see? Now let us put these words in a sentence. Number 1, ዘይ ንስኻ ምምሳል ጌጋ እዩ. Some people look like others. They don't look themselves. They look different. You see? زي نسخة ممثال جيجايو. You have to accept yourself as it is, as you are. زي نسخة ممثال جيجايو. How do you say it in English? It is wrong to look who you aren't. زي نسخة ممثال جيجايو. It is wrong to look who you aren't. ጽጌረዳ حبتية. gay Allah أيوة. There is gay here. Gay. ጽጌረዳ حبتية. ጽጌረዳ is my sister. ጽጌረዳ is my sister. G. Gdil. Grim. I have given two words with Gdil and Grim. Gdil is in number 1 and Gdil is in number 2. Gdil. Number 1. نزا Gdil كتفات حادو مخالك. Gdil على كارو. كفتح جبو Gdil. نزا Gdil كتفات حادو مخالك. It's a question. Can you solve the problem? Can you solve the problem? Gdil means problem. Can you solve the problem? نزا Gdil كتفات حادو مخالك. Number 2. Grim. Grim. حجي grim كوري. Now it has become good. حجي grim كوري. حجي grim كوري. حجي grim كوري. Now it is the affair لو مستفول بيهم. غير عادي? Yes. Okay, grim is good. Now it has become good. حجي grim كوري. In English, now it has become good. It has become right. Okay. Go. معاgo. Okay. Let us see these two words. Go. This زبلني. Go this you زبلني. I like go. What is go? Go is Eritrean thick unleavened bread. ረጒድ ቅጫ ኮይኑ ረጒድ ቅጫ እሞ ከዓ ዘይበኩዐ ሓርጭ ተቆምጢዑ ከም ዘለዎ ተቆምጢዑ ክበስል ከሎ ጎጎ ይበሃል። ጎጎ ኣብ ዓድና ፀብሒ እኳ ይደልየሉ መዓት ይኸጥዕም። It is very delicious and also vitamins. Gogo, أبي كركب كم زحجي. Yeah, gogo. Okay, number 2, هذا معاقو. What does معاقو mean? معاقو means mouthful. Now, look at me. I'm sorry. Yeah, to show you. Yes, that's mouthful, swallowing immediately. Let's call it maago or a gulp. In English, it's called gulp. Gulp. هذا معاgo ماي وردع عبيدو. وردع means immediately swallow. You can hear the sound, you know, when the water is being swallowed. You see immediately وردع. You know, gulp, mouthful of water, mouthful of milk, or it can be anything, a liquid. Okay? معاقو means gulp. Subscribe, share, like. ክቡራት ተኸታተልቲ ናይዚ መደብ ኤርትራውያን ኣሕዋትና ተጋሩ ኢትዮጵያውያን كل خاتكم كالوتون كتكون تكونوا خالوت بهير سبات بزي قدس ቋንቋ ትግርኛ ዘገድሰኩም ቋንቋ ትግርኛ ክትመሃሩ ነተባብዓኩም ንሕና ድማ ዝያዳ ንዓኹም ዘዕግብ ስራሕ ሒዝና ክንቀርብ ተተባብዑና ሓደራ ንብል ክቡራት ተኸታተልትና እዚ መደብ ኣብ ዝቕፅል የራኽበና ዝሓለፈ ቪድዮታት 30 ዝኸውን ኣሎ ኩሉ እንተሪኢኹሞ ካብ መጀመርያ ሒዝኩም እንተዳሪኢኹሞ ኩሉ ናይ ብሓቂ ቋንቋ ትግርኛ ዝቐለለን ዝቐልጠፈን መዓዲ ክትፈልጡ ኢኹም ማለት እዩ ምክንያቱ ስቴፕ ባይ ስቴፕ በግባብ ይቐሪቡ ዘሎ ብስእሊ ብድምፂ መፅሓሕፋ ብቃላት ብምሉእ ሓሳባት ጌርና ቀሪብናልኩም ስለ ዘለና ክትጥቀምሉ نتحاسس بكم. Thank you so much. Bye.